4:30?
Yes. She wanted me to do this. There's something behind your tooth? It's not plastic. It's gauze. Don't put your fingers in your mouth. There's no plastic. I'm showing this to Tyler. The doctor's laughing at you even.
That's not nice.
The words are blurry?
No.
There's 2 words? Double? There's 2 of those? Great. I'm strapping her in the back seat on the way.
At least he's laughing.
I know. And they cry.
But you don't realize what's going on.
Stop it. What are you doing? Don't put your fingers in your mouth. It's germs. It's dry. Your mouth is dry.
Cotton's sucking it
Well,
all.
you can't have anything to... Is there a limit when she can have anything to drink? Just wait till we get home?
Allie, when did she have something to drink? It's probably in the post-op, but I don't know.
She has something to drink?
Yeah. Wisdom teeth removed.
She's done?
She said her mouth is dry, but she's got the gauze. Tastes like what? Turkey? What?
Be careful, not to close.
Your mouth tastes like turkey? Wow.
Thanksgiving's over.
What tastes like? Not one.
Like turkey? It's probably the blood taste that you're tasting.
What does that taste like? Turkey. What is it like? It tastes like pig. One tastes like a penny.
Tastes like a penny?
Yeah,
That's the blood. Yeah, that's the blood.
No. I taste like turkey.
Turkey?
Yeah, it's not normal.
It's not normal?
Because blood tastes like a penny.
His blood tastes like pennies and your blood tastes like turkey.
It's not normal.
I can't even do this anymore. You're so funny.
It's serious. I'm ready as well. I can't talk.
I know. Your hand hurts? No, don't take it off. Leave it on. You want it on. No, it's not in there. You're done.
It's all gone. Your teeth are gone, too.
You need a chapstick?
Yeah, you know before. Plastic, I'm telling you.
There's plastic? Where?
Right behind my bottom teeth.
There's no plastic behind your bottom teeth. Those are your teeth.
What am I saying then? Look, right side.
Your teeth. Those are your teeth. Those aren't plastic. It's your teeth.
My teeth are flat. It's only there that's like this. I'm feeling my tooth.
Don't put your fingers.
I don't touch the plastic.
It's not plastic. Those are your bottom teeth. Those are your teeth. They feel like plastic because you're numb. Those are your teeth.